Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all the products that I got from the Nykaa Pink sale. So guys, this is going to be my first ever haul video. तो मेरे को थोड़ी सी नर्वसनेस हो रही है, थोड़ी एक्साइटमेंट भी हो रही है, बट आई होप दैट यू ऑल विल लाइक दिस एंड अप्रिशिएट दिस वीडियो. और अगर कोई भी मिस्टेक हो जाए तो प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी, and I would love to know your feedbacks and the things that I can shoot for you in future that you all will like. So let's get started. First of all, जितने भी products मैंने मंगाए हैं नायका से, मेरे को वो सब पड़े हैं in just ₹872, और in total मैंने 5 products मंगाए हैं and I received all of them in this cardboard packaging by Nykaa. So the first thing that I got from Nykaa was this concealer. This is the Swiss Beauty concealer and this is in the shade 03. I bought 2 of them. इनमें से एक मैंने अपने मम्मा के लिए मंगाया और दूसरा जो है वो मैंने अपने लिए मंगाया, क्योंकि जो मेरा लास्ट कंसीलर था that got empty and this is my holy grail product. तो definitely I needed to repurchase it. तो इसको मैं खोल के दिखा देती हूँ. तो इसकी पैकेजिंग कुछ इस तरह की है. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ पैकेजिंग इन विच इट कम्स एंड दिस इज इन द शेड 03 light moyen. I'll just show you right here. So this is how the shade looks like on my hand. So if you are looking for an affordable concealer, so definitely go for this one. तो जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया कि मैंने 2 कंसीलर ऑर्डर किए थे, तो मेरे को ये दोनों कंसीलर पड़े हैं जस्ट फॉर ₹187. आई गॉट 2 कंसीलर्स इन जस्ट ₹187. That was a steal for me. The next product that I got from the Nykaa Pink sale is this foundation by Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I got this in the shade 220 और ये मेरे स्किन टोन के साथ बहुत अच्छे से जा रहा था, तो मैं आपको भी दिखा देती हूँ. This comes with a pump like this and I'm gonna take a very small amount to show you guys. Alright, आपको थोड़ा सा ब्लेंड करके दिखा देती हूँ. So this is how the shade looks like. So guys, if you have oily skin, I would highly recommend to you guys to buy this Maybelline foundation because मेरी भी oily skin है और ये foundation matte है. So गर्मियों के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा foundation है. Definitely consider buying this. So I got this for ₹552 and the shade is Natural Beige 220. And let me know guys if you want a review of this foundation. I would love to upload that for you all. And the next product that I got is this lipstick from the brand Swiss Beauty. This is the matte cat lip crayon, as you can see, and this is in the shade 26 Wineberry. And I got this shade for my nani क्योंकि उनको डार्क ऐसे वाइन कलर्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं और उनको सूट भी करते हैं. सो आई गॉट दिस शेड फॉर हर. आई गॉट दिस फॉर ₹224 ओनली, वेरी अफोर्डेबल. आई जस्ट शो यू ऑल हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. यस, सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. इट कम्स इन अ क्रेयॉन फॉर्म और ये ट्विस्ट करके इसको ओपन करना है. ऐसे आप इसे ट्विस्ट करोगे तो ऊपर ऊपर आएगा. And this is how the shade looks like, you guys. मैं अपने हाथ पे इसका swatch कर देती हूँ. Very beautiful shade, very pigmented. Moving on to the last product of this Nykaa haul, and it's going to be the Swiss Beauty blush, and it comes in a packaging like this, as you can see over here. This is how the blush looks like, and I'll open it now. So we have highlighter shades over here and a blush shade. तो एक चीज़ मैं बोलूँगी, if you have an oily skin, I would not recommend you to buy this blusher because it is very shimmery और इसकी glowy finish आएगी. तो definitely ये blusher MAC तो नहीं है. So I got this blush for my sister and she loved it because उसकी dry skin है and उसका face ऐसा उस पर बहुत suit कर रहा था. And this is how the shade looks like. And the best part is that I got this blusher for free. I love it because इसका मैंने अपनी sister से पूछा था and she really liked this blusher. And I'll swatch the shade for you all. So I'll take some like this and I'll just swatch it over for you. As you can see, this is how the blusher shade looks like. Definitely the best part about this haul that I got this for free और इसकी quantity भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. So if you are a person who is into glowy makeup or like a glowy finish to your makeup, I would highly recommend you to buy this Swiss Beauty blusher which is very shimmery. And सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि इसमें कोई chunky particles नहीं है और ये बहुत ही natural and beautiful लगता है when you apply it. And ये pigmented भी बहुत है, अच्छा लगेगा. So definitely this is a very good deal. And with this, you guys, I have completed my haul and showed you all the products that I got. Let me know which one was your favorite from this video. Mine has to be definitely the Swiss Beauty concealer because I cannot live without it. When you will try it, trust me, you will not regret it at all. These were all the products that I got from the Nykaa Pink sale, and I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also share your thoughts with me down in the comment box below. I would love to hear what you all would like to see next. And till then, bye bye and take care.